Welcome back to our SamCart AI demo series. So far, SamCart AI has made your product, wrote the pitch, and then designed it on a sales page all on its own. And now it's time to get you paid. This is part 3 of 4 of a series where we're going to show you how you can launch a new sales funnel from scratch in minutes using SamCart's new AI tools. We left off with a finished sales page in the last video found on the Sites tab. You are free to make your own edits to that page, headlines, add new components, change the theme, the layouts, whatever. But when you're ready, it's time to add a SamCart slide checkout so you can convert followers into paying customers. All you need to do in order to do that is go to your Sites tab, open up that page, and just pick a spot where you want to add a checkout button. Then, on the left side in the editor, hit Enter to get a new line and add a checkout component. Next, you'll be asked to choose which product you want someone to buy. You can choose any product from your entire account in a drop-down list, or if you haven't made a product just yet, we can make one in 2 seconds. To make a new product, go to the Sell tab, then go to the Products tab, and create a new product with a price really quick. All you need to do, give it a name, add a price, and then go back over to Sites, and we'll add the checkout to that page. Of course, with SamCart, your products can be one-time fees, monthly subscriptions, yearly subscriptions, payment plans, free trials, pay what you want products, or anything in between. But once your product is created, head back over to the Sites tab, open your sales page, and click on the settings for that checkout component. Once you attach the product to that checkout component, you can save your changes and preview that sales page. That button, when clicked, immediately launches a finished SamCart slide checkout armed with tools like stored credit cards, buy now, pay later options, one-click checkout, and more. And here's the really cool part. You can add multiple checkout components anywhere you want on the sales page. You could even create a little mini storefront with multiple products next to them, each leading to their own product to buy. You could choose to sell services, workshops, consultations, anything else that you want, even physical products from any one of these checkout components. And you can add a checkout component to your link in bio, to a lead capture page, and anything else in between. And if you want to absolutely dial in those conversions, make sure you take advantage of SamCart's auto-applied coupons. Hit the settings for any checkout component and then click and check the box to automatically apply a coupon that you've created. Next time you publish your changes and click on that checkout, you'll see what your customers will see, an auto-applied discount waiting for them when they buy. SamCart's database tells us that checkouts with coupons automatically applied are converting 296% higher. So do not miss adding a auto-applied coupon. And that's how you add checkouts. In part 4, we're going to show you how you can tap into some of the features that are increasing average order value by 227%. And this might be what SamCart does best. Give every single buyer a chance to spend more, and it will multiply your sales overnight. The link is in the description to check out part 4. We'll see you guys over there now.